Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Media Explore. Today we are taking a closer look at this computer arm which is designed for heavy monitors. So let's dive into the video and see what it has to offer. Let me start by saying that I'm impressed with the build quality of this computer arm. Looking at the packaging of this computer bracket, I would say they've done a very good job because to me it looks very professional. Let's talk about what you will get in the box when you buy this. You will get a computer mount, a manual guide to guide you through the step-by-step of installation, and also the screws and bolt. The arm is made up of a steady aviation aluminum and it can handle an impressive weight capacity of up to 8.5 kg. That is more than 3 times stronger than other Versa monitor arms, ensuring no worries about monitor sagging or instability. This arm actually is a game changer, guys. The fact that it has that feature of like you can tilt it anyhow. It has a full motion capability. So you can just tilt it anyhow, 360, 180 degrees and 90 degrees. You can bend 90 degrees, like you can tilt your screen 90 degrees or 180 degrees. You can like manipulate it anyhow that you want to make the best out of your workspace. You can easily find it the perfect position to reduce discomfort or fatigue during those long work or game sessions. Coming to gas spring mechanism, the durable construction of the monitor stand includes a strong gas spring that has been cycle tested more than 10,000 times, ensuring long-lasting performance. You can extend your monitor arm out to bring your screen closer or raise it up above the desk surface for a better viewing angle. One of my favorite features is the integrated cable management. It helps conceal wires for a neat look and maximizing your workspace. In fact, using a computer monitor stand like this can free up to 8% more desktop space compared to a stand with a large base. Now let's talk about the assembling of this monitor arm. The monitor desk mount is easy to put together thanks to the clear instructions and standard hardware kit provided. Another feature that stood out for me is the seat lapping, so you don't have to drill around your table. All you need to know is to know how to clap it on a table, but you can do that through the manual guide that is provided, of course. The assembling process is straightforward. Just follow step-by-step instruction to connect the monitor arm. The included bolts and screws make the whole process easy. Overall, guys, I'm really impressed with this computer arm, and to be honest, guys, like I said in the video, like early in the video, that this computer arm or computer bracket is very steady, flexible, and can maximize your workspace. So if you are in the market looking for reliable monitor stand or monitor arm, this is the one that you should consider buying. I'm glad that you have made to the end of this video. If you have any question, you can put everything in the comment section down below. If you want to buy this computer arm, you can find it in the description down below. I will put everything there, the brand and so on, and all those sort of things. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video so that we can help grow this community together. I love you all. Thank you.